welcome back to our letters and sounds lesson with Miss Anita. I am so excited to have you here today so that we can learn another letter sound. Before we do that, let's go through the letter sounds we already know. You are going to say the letter sounds with me, okay? Let's go. S, A, E, N, M, D, G, O, K. Well done. Good job. Well done, friends. Okay, now we are going to get into today's lesson. Let's check if we have everything we need. Do we have our workbook? Yeah, well done. Do we have our salt tray? Yes, good job. Do we have our colored pencils and a pencil? Good job. Now parents, if you're seeing this video for the first time and you'd like to get your child a copy of this workbook, please check the link below in the description box to order a copy from Amazon. And if you're in Uganda, please feel free to message me on the WhatsApp number in the description box below. Okay? All right. In this bag, there is something for us. Something big. I wonder what it is. Say, Miss Anita, check the bag. Yes, I'll check the bag. I see something big, something metallic, and something silver. What is this, friend? Have you ever seen it? Do you have it at home? Or you have another version? I'm pretty sure you have a modern one. All right, we call this a kettle. Say kettle. Kettle. Good job. Well done, friend. Now, I want you to think about the word kettle. Kettle. What do we use them for? First of all, we use them to boil water. Okay? I want you to think about the word kettle. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Yes, we hear k sound. Now, friend, today we are thinking about k sound. This is a letter K and it makes the sound k. Say k. Can you do that with me? Tap here. Like in kettle. All right? Okay. Yesterday we learned that letter C makes the sound k, but also letter K makes the sound k. So remember that the action for K is k, k. Okay, are you ready to sing the letter sound k with me? Okay, let's go. The K says k, the K says k. Every letter makes a sound, the K says k. One more time, let's go. Find some space and make sure you enjoy the song. Let's go. The K says k, the K says k. Every letter makes a sound, the K says k. Okay, good job. Now, in your book, friend, you have a job to do. Okay? This is a letter K which makes the sound k, k, like in kettle, and k, like in kite. So I want you to color the picture, this kite, as you make the k, k sound. Okay? Pause the video and off you go. Remember to say the sound as you color the kite. Have you colored the kite? Let me see. Wow, amazing job. Good coloring skills over there. Well enjoy playing with kites? They are so much fun in the playground. Okay, now friend, your next job is to find things that begin with k sound. You have a bunch of items here, a bunch of objects here. I want you to work with an adult to name them, okay? Once you name the objects, I want you to listen for the beginning sound. If you come across an object that starts with k sound, you circle it, okay? Let's do one together. What is this? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. What sound do we hear at the beginning? We hear k. That means we have to circle it. Well done. Then we move to the next one. We name it. What is this? It's a house. Do you hear k at the beginning? No. Then we cross it out. Okay? All right. I want you to pause the video and have a go at this job. Okay? All right. Have you been able to find the things that start with k sound? Oh, well done. Now, our next job is to learn how to form letter K, okay? We are going to need our pencil and our salt tray, okay? All right, get those resources ready and pause the video to get started on handwriting. All right, to form letter K, we draw a straight line down. We come back halfway to the middle and draw a diagonal line up. Then come back to this point in the middle and draw a diagonal line down. Okay? Have a go. Pause the video and have a go. All right. Using our colored pencil, we shall start from a point and go down. Then draw a diagonal line up and a diagonal line down. Then we shall do the same to the little ones. Straight line down, diagonal line up, and diagonal line down. One more time. Straight line down, diagonal line up, and diagonal line down. Straight line down, diagonal line up, and diagonal line down. All right, pause the video and practice how to form k sound. Well done, friend. You worked so hard in this lesson. I am so proud of you. Give yourself a soft pat on the shoulder. Now, for the good job done, I want you to go to the back of the book and give yourself a smiley face. Okay? Because you've done a wonderful job. Okay? If you have your stickers, you can use the stickers. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow in another lesson. Bye!